Here is a preview of the 2020 Genesis G90. We will have more details in the following days, but for now, let's take a look at what we know and some of the pictures that Genesis released today. Genesis unveiled the redesigned G90 luxury sedan to media at the Shilla Hotel in Seoul. The G90 incorporates new car-level design changes in the exterior and interior, further enhancing its presence as the brand's flagship sedan through the theme of horizontal architecture. Front and back, the styling of the redesigned G90 evolves the brand's authentic Elegance design language. In front, the signature crest grille is flanked by quad lamps. In rear, quad lamps symbolizing the wings of a Genesis logo wrap around from corner to corner. The license plate is placed as low as possible, further accentuating a low and wide stance. The elongated horizontal side profile of the G90 is characterized by vigor and dignity. G-Matrix, another Genesis design hallmark, inspired by light reflecting from an illuminating diamond, is applied to the headlights and taillights to emphasize refined proportions and balanced architecture. For the first time, the G-Matrix pattern is applied to the optional 19-inch wheels, which also features sound absorption technology to noticeably reduce tire noise. The interior design is dominated by a harmonious flow of horizontal surfaces, including a parallel layout which includes air ventilation system and audio controls which are reduced to maximize simplicity and a more intuitive user experience. The G90 offers 9 exterior colors, including 2 new colors, Porto Red and Gold Crest Silver. 7 returning hues are Marble White, Platinum Silver, Graceful Gray, Carbon Metal, Umber Brown, Royal Blue, and Titanium Black. There are 2 new two-tone color and trim combinations, Brown and Brown Blue.